Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll give you a quick demo of the Adoption Dashboard component, designed to evaluate user engagement and behavior by recording and displaying interactions. This component improves interaction monitoring across various grids. Let's dive in. Go to Setup. In the Quick Finder, search for Custom Settings. Click Manage Telemetry Settings. The telemetry setting is activated on the org level. Track usage for a specific user or profile, that would give us more flexibility. In the Quick Finder, search for User Settings. Select the desired user. Click Permission Set Assignment. Make sure for any user who is willing to see the adoption dashboard that the user has the admin cockpit. Remember, the adoption dashboard is a part of the GM admin cockpit. Navigate to the App Manager. To track the interactions captured through the dashboard, you need to configure the monitor in the utility bar on any Lightning app you want to track. Interactions will only be displayed if the monitor is configured on the app. Click Edit. Go to Utility Items. Click App Utility Items. In the Component Explorer, search for GM Interaction Monitor. Set Invisible Character as label. Remove the icon. Set 1 for panel width. Set 1 for panel height. Check Start Automatically. Click Save. Navigate to the Sales app. Go to GM User Interactions. This displays the interactions we have recorded. Go to GM Admin Cockpit. Click Analytics. Let's first check the total number of interactions. Perform some interactions on different grids. Go to GM User Interactions. This is the latest interactions. For better insight on the interactions, go to GM Admin Cockpit. Click Analytics. Click Refresh. This total interactions over all time and for today. Here are the top 5 active users over all time and from the last 7 days. Here all active users. Here are the top 5 used components over all time and from the last 7 days. Here are all the used components. Here are the interactions by component, by type and by objects. To add a new component to the GM Adoption Dashboard, by creating a report using the GM User Interactions report type and including it within the dashboard. Thank you for watching.